All right, y'all. This right here is called mullein. And if you don't know anything about mullein, then you would want to know that it's one of the best herbs to use when it comes to cleansing and clearing the lungs. I have a huge mullein plant, and what I'm doing today is I'm harvesting the mullein and I'm rinsing it off, and then I'm going to dry it out because I'm going to use them for tinctures, for teas, and for smokable blends. Mullein was also used back in the day as toilet paper because of the way that it feels, because of the velvety texture. They call it cowboy tissue. So I'm going to make some medicine with this beautiful mullein, and you guys stay tuned because I would love to see how all this beauty is going to come out.